Facebook are testing a new feature in the UK right now. It's a big one. They want permission to scan all the photos on your phone. The idea is they pick out the best ones and turn them into collages and recaps for you to share. Sounds handy, but there's a fair bit to think about before you tap allow. It's a 4-step thing. First, you have to opt in. It's off by default. Once you turn it on, Meta starts scanning your camera roll, looking at when photos were taken, where you were, what's in them, even who's in them. And then suggestions start appearing in your stories and your feed, and nothing gets posted unless you actively choose to share it. There's a genuine upside here. Lots of us take loads of photos and never get round to posting them. So Facebook builds the post for you. Travel highlights from your last holiday, a recap of someone's birthday, even AI edited versions of your photos. If you're someone who wants to share more but never gets around to it, you can see why this might be appealing. Now the catch, if you turn this on, Meta is uploading your selected photos to its cloud on an ongoing basis. Not just looking at them on your phone, they say they're analysing date, location, what's in the photo and who's in the photo. Worth remembering, Facebook had to shut down its facial recognition tool back in 2021 because of privacy backlash. They say this is different. You decide if you trust that. The good news is the default is off. Nothing happens unless you actively turn it on. If you want to try it, open the Facebook app and look for the prompt. In your stories or memories, tap allow. If you'd rather not, just tap don't allow when it appears. And if you change your mind either way, settings, camera roll, you can flip it on or off whenever you like. So what do you think? Would you let Facebook have a rummage through your photos for the convenience of automatic collages? Or is that a step too far? Drop your answer in the comments.